Kids, wake up! Today is Sunday! Are we going to Grandma's house? Not today, sweetie. I think we are going for ice cream.
No, too much ice cream is not healthy.
Then what are we doing today, Mom?
Today, we will plant flowers together.
Really?
I love flowers so much.
That sounds like a fun family activity.
Can I plant pink flowers?
Of course. Pink flowers are beautiful.
Can I plant a big sunflower?
Yes, you can. Plants also give us clean air.
Wow! Plants are amazing!
Don't forget your hats outside.
Let's get ready for the market.
I will carry the shopping bags.
Everybody in the car!
Yay! Look at all these flowers!
They are so colorful.
I found sunflowers! Ha!
Great choice, buddy.
Mom, look at these pink roses!
They are perfect for you.
Can we buy this small plant too?
Sure, it looks healthy.
We also need soil and pots.
I can help carry them.
Good teamwork, kids.
Thank you, Dad.
Now let's go home and start planting.
I can't wait!
The backyard looks perfect today.
The sun is shining brightly.
First, we dig small holes. Like this?
Yes, very good.
You're learning fast.
I'm planting my pink flowers carefully.
They already look beautiful.
Oops, I spilled some soil.
That's okay. Accidents happen.
My sunflower keeps falling down. Oh, press the soil gently around it.
Now it stands straight. Excellent job.
Now we water the plants slowly.
The flowers look so fresh. Can plants feel happy?
In a way, yes.
Plants need love and care to grow. We will take care of them. Wow! A butterfly came already! The flowers smell amazing. I like our garden.
These signs show the flower names. Now I can remember them.
Smile for the picture. We love our flower garden. My sunflower is the tallest.
You took great care of it. We made something beautiful together.
This garden is full of love.
Thank you for planting with us.
Small flowers can grow big happiness.
Would you plant pink flowers too? Or do you like planting sunflowers? See you next episode. Bye-bye. Take care.